Colonel Gano Hertes, Corps Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Vince Amiel Bihag, Corps XO. Cadet Major Jeff Ivan Almasco, Corps S1. Cadet Major Adel Aida Yamson, Corps S2. Cadet Major Awal Sarip, Corps S3. Cadet Major Ryan Daniel Pasobilio, Corps S4. Major Leader, Cadet Captain Maria Christine Gabriel Bragais. DBC Leader, Cadet Captain Bobby Cortez Jr., Company Commander. Cadet Captain John Wine Pamor, Company XO. Cadet First Lieutenant Divina Kate Cabo, First Platoon Leader 1. Cadet Second Lieutenant John Joy Francisco, Second Platoon Leader Durs. Cadet Second Lieutenant Jamie Ohaime Luis Vallejo, CAD Facilitator. Sergeant Ricardo Laurino Jr., PN Reserve. DBC Coordinator, Mr. Gilbert Puliero. Major Trainer, Mr. John Erwin Metran. Mr. JB Hernandez. Color Guard Instructor, Mr. John Michael Redicio. Drumline Instructor, Mr. Dindo Pardo and Mr. Ryan Izquierda. Major Coordinator, Miss Manilyn Ibarra. Entry number 14, Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated. Thank you. Entry number 14, Universidad de Santa Isabel of Pili Incorporated, San Agustin, Pili, Camarines Sur.